Hi there, Sandra here from the Schwowin's Nest, calling all crafters. I would like to invite you into a Christmas into Winter DIY Decor Challenge. I am hosting this by myself and I've dated it for January 19th, 2022 at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here are all the rules. Create a winter decor piece using Christmas craft supplies that you already have, or take a Christmas decor piece that you have and change it into winter decor. The playlist link will be available the day before, January 18th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll post that link on my YouTube community. Schedule your video to go live on January 19th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you include my channel link and the playlist link in your description box. But most of all, have fun taking things that are meant for one thing and creating something completely different. It's pretty simple, but if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Contact me by email or on Instagram. I hope you'll all join in on the fun. Bye for now.